Hey everybody, we are at Wilderness Lodge. Today we are staying in the Copper Creek Villas. So we have a DVC villa. This is a deluxe studio with walk-in shower. And I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the room. So here, when you enter the room, to the right you have a closet, a basic closet, ironing board, I think the safe's in there, you know, that kind of thing. And then once you enter again to the right, you have your little kitchenette area. In there, because we are in the time of COVID, it is all disposable items. So disposable plates, silverware, etc. Lots of storage. Here. To the left, you'll find the bathroom. I'm gonna try to stay in frame because I just got out of the shower. And excuse the mess too, we got in at 2 a.m. last night. So usually I try to do these tours before we kind of use the room. Anyway, nice walk-in shower. It has a rain shower head, which I want to show you guys because it was amazing. Tile. They're still using the disposable toiletries here. So shower, like body wash, shampoo, conditioner, that sort of thing. Where they had been moving more towards the large ones that were refillable, they've gone back to the individual ones so that they're more easily cleaned between patients. Don't I work in healthcare? Between guests. So here you have the bed. It's a little messy. Like I said, we slept in it. Bedside table here, lots of USB ports with some cute little artwork right here. I actually really love this. Like the simplicity of it. Other bedside table on the other side of the bed. The couch, of course, pulls out into another double bed. This here has rollers, so you can move it to this side of the room to get it out of the way whenever you make the bed out into a bed. Nice TV, again, more of our junk, apologize. And the drawers underneath. I really like this little dresser entertainment center area. Like it's cute. I like all the like mismatched stuff there. It's really cute. This one is a connecting room. We're not staying with anybody else, so that is remaining locked. And then you can walk out onto the balcony. Y'all are gonna be proud of me. You know how I struggle with opening these doors, so I did it first before I started recording. Walk out onto the balcony, 2 chairs, a little table, and then we have a nice view of the pool. It's a very nice little quiet area back here. We're big fans. Alright, so that is a deluxe studio with walk-in shower in the Copper Creek section of Wilderness Lodge. Thanks guys!